So, Cardi B cooked for Offset today and his reaction was heavenly. Guys, check this out.
What you supposed to be doing over here, boy?
You see! Go away!
You acting like you finna cook something. Let's see what you Shout it, burn the wings. Shot these good though. I'm gonna keep it real. These good, but boy, these right here. The motherfucker burnt.
So, for those who still remember her song, I can't cook, I can't clean, but I still got the ring. This is just a validation of it. Now she cooked some boiled burnt wings for Offset, and of course he couldn't eat it. He was just laughing and mocking her for her style of cooking, and she was a bit uncomfortable with it, but of course it still went on the internet. So guys, drop your comments in the comment section, and if you're new to this channel, you're not subscribed yet, please hit the red subscription button. Also, if you're returning and you've not hit the push notification bell, you can also do that by hitting the push notification bell on this channel so that you will be the first to get amazing updates as we keep dropping. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Do have a lovely day.